How to reorder a past meal in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the person icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Orders at the top. After you click on Orders at the top, click on Past Orders at the top right. Then, find the past order you want, and after that, you can simply click on the order and you'll find a reorder option as well at the bottom. Click on Reorder at the bottom. Review the cart, adjust quantities or remove items if needed, and then check out. And this is how to reorder a past meal in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.